Now, there's probably nothing that can go wrong today. Nothing. But I didn't even say goodnight. Why are you telling me goodnight, Chop Top? He's not going to leave me alone because I still haven't did a single review on Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2, even though I did review the whole franchise in one sitting, Single movie reviews, I guess. Fine, Chop Top. If you leave, I'll do a review on Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 after the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 1 drops. Okay? You're invading my channel? What the hell's going on here?